Hello lovelies, what are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more grooming tips. Do you ever feel like no matter how much effort you put into your appearance, something still feels off? Looking expensive doesn't mean spending a fortune, it's about making smart, simple upgrades. In this video, I'm sharing 10 easy and affordable tips that can instantly elevate your look without blowing your budget. From wardrobe hacks to grooming tips, I've got you covered. There are 10 simple upgrades to elevate your look. Upgrade 1. Invest in a good steamer because wrinkles can make even expensive outfits look cheap. Investing in a good steamer is a game changer for anyone looking to keep their clothes wrinkle-free without the hassle of traditional ironing. Steamers are quick, efficient, and gentle on fabrics, making them ideal for delicate materials that can be damaged by the high heat of an iron. Upgrade 2. Switch to neutral colors. Neutral colors give a sophisticated and timeless look. Neutral colors bring a sophisticated and timeless appeal to any outfit or space. Shades like beige, gray, white, and taupe create a sense of elegance and versatility that never goes out of style. These colors provide a perfect backdrop, allowing you to mix and match effortlessly while maintaining a polished appearance. Upgrade 3. Polish your shoes. Because clean, well-maintained shoes can make or break an outfit. Polishing your shoes is an essential step in maintaining their appearance and longevity. Regular polishing keeps your shoes looking clean, shiny, and well cared for, making a positive impression in both professional and social settings. Upgrade 4. Replace cheap buttons. This small change can elevate the look of budget clothing. Replacing cheap buttons with high-quality ones is a simple yet effective way to elevate the look of your clothing. Buttons are small details that can significantly impact the overall aesthetic, making an outfit appear more refined and polished. Upgrade 5. Opt for minimal accessories. Elegant jewelry is choosing 1 or 2 quality accessories. Opting for minimal accessories is a great way to achieve a chic and understated look. By focusing on a few well-chosen pieces, such as a delicate necklace, classic watch, or stud earrings, you can enhance your outfit without overwhelming it. Upgrade 6. Wear a structured blazer or coat. Structured outerwear adds polish to any look. Wearing a structured blazer or coat instantly adds sophistication and polish to any outfit. These wardrobe staples are designed to provide a tailored fit that enhances your silhouette and exudes confidence. Upgrade 7. Maintain groomed nails and hands. Simple, clean, polished nails. Keeping your nails and hands well groomed is a simple yet impactful way to enhance your overall appearance. Trimmed nails and moisturized hands reflect attention to detail and self-care, leaving a positive impression in both personal and professional interactions. Upgrade 8. Stick to classic hairstyles. Avoid complex hairstyles as they ruin your hairs. Sticking to classic hairstyles is a timeless way to maintain a polished and versatile look. Styles such as sleek ponytails, neatly trimmed cuts, soft waves, or a simple bun never go out of fashion and suit a variety of occasions, from casual outings to formal events. Classic hairstyles emphasize natural beauty and are often easy to maintain, saving time while ensuring a refined appearance. Upgrade 9. Use a signature fragrance because a pleasant fragrance leaves a lasting impression. Fragrance is a powerful way to express your personality and leave a lasting impression. A well-chosen scent becomes a subtle extension of your style, 2. Thrift shops. 3. DIY upgrades. 4. Mix high and low. Which of these upgrades are you excited to try? First, let me know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.